Hi guys, I know I have been MIA since a really fucking long time. So, yes, welcome back to my YouTube. Yes, finally, after decades, ages, I'm making this video, and today is my birthday. So, I am going to share 24 things which I have learned being a 24-year-old. So, stay tuned. Number one, peace is most important than arguing or giving your energy to every and anything. Think about the time when you were just giving out your precious energy to dumb, stupid things, dumb, stupid people. Get it out. You don't have to spend your good energy on people who don't deserve your energy. So, peace is most important. Okay. Number two, consistency is more important than motivation. Okay, this is one thing which I know I'm working on in terms of YouTube, but I'm working out, okay, clearly. So in other aspects, consistency is something which gives you long-term results, and you will find it out when you're being consistent. Okay, I'm yapping over here, but point है, okay, point पे ध्यान दो. Number three, not everyone who smiles at you is genuinely happy for you, and you need to figure this out really at a really young age to just understand that people who just pretend to be happy but they are not actually happy for you. They may smile at you, they may be your dearest, they may, like be your Ghanishta Mitra, okay, Ghanishta. But you never know, sometimes there are snakes hidden beneath their surface. So you need to be careful. Number four, growth often comes from uncomfortable phases. There will be phases where you are very happy, there will be phases where you are very down, like you will be your fucking lowest, okay, and no one is gonna come. So there are going to be phases, and just believe in that it's gonna get over. The bad phase is gonna get over, the good phase is coming, and even in the good phase, be humbled, be down to earth, be grateful, thank your gods, and thank the people who are in your life who have always been supporting you. Please show gratitude towards them, and you will see that this bad phase will also go and good phase will come soon. Trust me on that. Number five, it's okay to outgrow people and places. The people who are not serving you, please, please, please cut them off. Slowly, steadily cut them off. The places which are not serving you, go away from there. Run if possible. Okay, just believe in yourself and you will see. You will see. Number six, self respect attracts mature, understanding relationship than just being into one which is not serving you. You need to respect yourself, you need to be, strong enough, and you need to build yourself a character. Until and unless you have built yourself, don't even think that you will get good relationships. There might be exceptions, okay, there might be exceptions, but make sure that you work on yourself every single day in any form, okay, be it intellectual, be it physical, be it emotional, okay, improve your quotients in all this area, and you will see, definitely you will attract good relationships. Trust me on that. Number seven, your mental health is priority and not a luxury, so do not take it for granted. You might just go down, but make sure you're coming up as well. Believe in yourself, whatever it is. If you need any help, go to the people whom you can trust and just vent out, find out the solution. Just don't be stuck with the problem. Take help if necessary, take therapy if necessary, talk to your parents or your teachers or whoever, your good friend, whom you can trust, and you can vent out and can share whatever is in your heart and whatever problems you're facing. Any kind of problem and every kind of problem will get a solution. You just need to talk it out, and it really helps. Okay. Number 8, saving money is your self love for your future, and those who give you side eye for this, that you're just saving, you're being conjuice, you're not spending a lot on food, clothing, etc. etc. You need to have certain savings for yourself, and don't take this lightly. If anything from this video, if you have to take one thing, you can just take this pointer that you need to have your savings done right. And if you're not doing it right, okay, sit down, jot it down where you are just spending mindlessly, and where you can cut down, analyze it. Okay, सेव, ओके सेव. कोई कुछ भी बोले, तुम उड़ाओ पैसे, बट तुम्हारे हिसाब से उड़ाओ, बट सेविंग रखो. किसी को कितना भी तुमको कंजूस बोलने दो, मक्खी चूस बोलने दो, कुछ भी बोलने दो, बट सेव योर मनी. ओके, इट्स योर इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर योर फ्यूचर सेल्फ, फॉर emergencies. Number 9, you don't have to have everything figured out. It will happen when it has to happen. It will happen at its sweet time. It will take its sweet time in anything. Okay, just don't force yourself. Chill out, man. Life is really, we have just complicated this life a lot. Okay, जब होना होता है हो जाता है, तो हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो. सांस ले बेटा, सांस ले. Breathe in, breathe out, do meditation, pranayam, it will help. Number 10, this is my most favorite in analyzing people. Action matters more than words. People may just blah 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 do and just vomit out stuff from their mouth and do nothing on the words. Okay, so just trust the actions more than words. Words will just come out and then they will never act on it. Action matters. Okay, in anything. Number 11, saying no is very powerful. You need to say no. Okay, just don't be a people pleaser and keep on saying yes in the situations wherein you are not comfortable. Say no. No is extremely powerful, and you will realize it when you actually say it out loud. Just don't do things to please other. Do things for yourself. Become a bit teeny tiny selfish, and if it's not serving you, please don't do it. It will exhaust you. It will just bring out your goodness out of you. It will drain you. Okay, so just say no. Who cares? Live for yourself, bitch. Live for yourself. Number 12, comparison steals joy. Focus on your own journey. I know in today's day and age, आप इंस्टा खोलते हो, आप देखते हो, people are going places, people are getting married, having babies, and on LinkedIn, if you open, it's just people are getting jobs, getting promoted. You will get there. Okay, you will get there at your own sweet time, at your own sweet pace. Just don't compare. Okay, it's, be happy for them, be happy for them, pray for them. Okay, pray for yourself. You will get there. I'm saying you will get there. Just don't compare yourself. You as individual, you should respect yourself. You are far greater than anyone else. You should be in your own eyes. When you look in mirror, you should be like, अरे बंदी तो अच्छी हो यार, बट कंपेयर नहीं करने का किसी के साथ. नंबर 13, डिसिप्लिन क्रिएट्स द लाइफ मोटिवेशन टॉक्स अबाउट. ठीक है, मोटिवेशन यू विल गेट दुनिया भर का ज्ञान. किधर से भी तुम यूट्यूब खोलो, कुछ भी खोलो, इंस्टा खोलो, तुमको ज्ञान देने वाले ना बहुत मिलेंगे. तुम्हारे सिस्टम में फीड करते रहेंगे मोटिवेशन, बट तुम काम ही नहीं करोगे, तुम एक्शन ही नहीं करोगे, तुम डिसिप्लिन ही नहीं रहोगे, तो क्या फ़ायदा है ना. तो यू नीड टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड. नंबर 14, स्मॉल डेली हैबिट शेप योर एंटायर लाइफ. मैंने बोला तुमको, Discipline और छोटी छोटी हैबिट्स goes hand in hand. So take small steps, okay? Small step. I know बहुत बहुत difficult जाता है. Initial days you will be like नहीं करना यार. I don't want to get up. I don't want to go to gym. But that's the time when you have to push yourself. Push yourself. You will get there. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you will get there. Trust me. Number 15. Okay, this is interesting one. I'm reading notes. I've made notes. Being kind does not mean tolerating disrespect. You may be a sweetheart, okay? You may be the sweetest creature on this planet Earth. But do not take disrespect. Stand for yourself. Voice out. Voice it out. You will see those who are trying to disrespect you will get humbled. Okay, just you need to be yourself, buddy. Like, don't take shit from anyone. You are good, man. You are like sweetheart. Why you are just taking and tolerating disrespect? Give it back to them. If you have it in you, give it back on their face. Okay, don't tolerate disrespect. It just goes in your head, and later on if you just think after the thing has happened, oh, I should have given this back to that person right there and then and there. I should have given one tight one. But later on क्या होगा, रिग्रेट करके आप डिसरिस्पेक्ट मत सहो, तभी के तभी वापस कर दो. Number 16. Real confidence come from keeping promises to yourself. The promises which you make to yourself, okay, that I will be consistent, I will be disciplined, you need to fulfill it, okay? You yourself, for you have to place yourself up there, okay? Promises खुद को करे हुए कभी मोड़ने का नहीं. Okay. Cool. Let's move on. Healing isn't linear and it's okay. Okay. Some days are gonna be good, some days are gonna be super bad, some days are gonna be. But trust me, you will heal. Okay. It takes time, it's not linear, it's not all gloomy all days, and it's not like sunny and bubbly on other day. It's gonna be some, the graph is gonna go up and down, and it's just part of life. You can't do anything in that. But trust me, you will heal from the people, from the things which you have got hurt, but you will heal. Trust me. Number 18. Okay, almost 18th number. Time alone helps you understand yourself better. You should give yourself time. Okay, this is very interesting. We just pop the earphones on and we just never really give ourselves time, buddy. Like, just हम लोग बचपन में ना कितना कुछ करते थे. लाइक खेलते रहते थे, पेंट करते थे, गेम्स खेलते थे, बाहर जाते थे. भाई हम लोग आजकल ऐसे कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, कुछ नहीं. हम लोग सिर्फ बैठे रहते हैं मोबाइल के सामने, या फिर काउच पोटैटो बन गए बेसिकली. आप ही नहीं, मैं भी करती हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा. ओके, बट देना चाहिए खुद को टाइम. ठीक है. Number 19. This is an extremely important part and interesting part. Career growth requires patience and continuous learning. You will not just go one fine day. You need to put in effort for your career. Do certifications, do courses, talk to your professors, eat your professor's head. Loki. Just take advice, talk to your seniors, figure out. There is always a way. You need to figure it out. And I know my friends, I know will get there. So trust me. Number 20. Protect your energy like it's an currency. एनर्जी बचाने का, अनवांटेड लोगों से, अनवांटेड प्लेसेस से, अनवांटेड चीज़ों से. ठीक है. अपना एनर्जी ना बहुत प्रेशियस होता है अपने लिए. तुम तुम्हारा एनर्जी बचाओगे नहीं, ऐसे ही लुटाते रहोगे फोकट में. फोकट में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तुमको लाइफ में. यू विल बी देयर After 5 years, after 10 years, you will not grow. You will be just there. For the name's sake, you will be there, existing. Energy is like currency, man. You cannot like just give it away. Okay? Okay. 21. This is interesting, and this is really interesting. Right people feel easy, not confusing. Whatever confusion you feel, okay? The confusion you are like, is this really a person for me? Is this person really going to be my future wife or future husband? Whatever. The confusion is not clarity. Right people will feel easy to be with. You will not get those butterflies and jitters in your stomach. You will be yourself, okay? The real you, not the face you're pretending to be, not the face you're trying to impress that person. You will be completely yourself. Zen mode, okay? You will just switch off your brain and you will be yourself. No games, nothing. So, right people will feel easy. Finally, it's last 3 pointers, but the main pointers. Okay, number 22. It's okay to restart at any time. Do not fucking think that you cannot restart. You can restart, okay? कर सकते हो भाई, तुम कभी भी रिस्टार्ट कर सकते हो कुछ भी चीज़ में, करियर में बोलो, लाइफ में बोलो, ग्लो अप में बोलो, फिजिकल फिटनेस में बोलो, ठीक है? यू कैन रीस्टार्ट एट एनी सिंगल टाइम. Number 23. Gratitude makes an ordinary day special. Okay, it's interesting that how gratitude works. You just need to thank yourself and thank the God and the people around you. Be humble, man. Be down to earth. Show some gratitude. 24th. I am becoming better version of myself every single day. Okay. And this is the last pointer, but the main pointer. Trust yourself. More than anything, no one will believe in you at times. No one will be there for you. You will be there for yourself. There are going to be hard days, there are going to be very soft days, but you will be there for yourself. No one will be there. And it's okay. You are becoming better version यार every single day. होगा भाई, तुमको जो चाहिए वो होगा. Money wise will get sorted. Academics wise, study hard, study smart. You will get there. Love life भी हो जाएगा सर. हो जाएगा, होता है सब अपने टाइम पे होता है. Okay, with this I'm ending the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.